when you think about the companies that sound exquisitely international but apparently are desi Indian. Let's get started. Old Monk is an iconic dark rum Indian brand with a distinct vanilla flavor. It was founded in the year 1954 and is produced in the Ghaziabad district, Uttar Pradesh. This has been the biggest Indian made foreign liquor brand and has won several gold medals at the Monde World Selection. Royal Enfield is an Indian multinational motorcycle company headquartered in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. It has got a tag of the oldest global motorcycle brand in continuous production and was founded in the year 1955. Lao Pilla Aji Limited was founded in the year 1987 and is a leading manufacturer and marketer of lifestyle products in the tableware segment. It is a Kolkata-based company and its products are not only limited to India but are also exported to East Asian and African countries. Lakme is a leading cosmetic brand owned by Hindustan Unilever. It started as a 100% subsidiary of the Tata Oil Mills in the year 1952. It was named after the famous French opera Lakme, which also means Devi Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth. High Designs, also known as the Leather Giant of India, is a leather goods company based in Pondicherry and started in the year 1978. This company now operates in 24 countries including USA, UK, Spain and Australia. Jaguar and Land Rover are one of the world's most famous car brands and are owned by none other than Tata Motors since the year 2008. Ford acquired Land Rover and Jaguar in the year 1990 and it was sold to Tata Motors later on. Thus, an Indian automaker is the owner of these two iconic car companies today. The fact that these two companies did not originate in India could be a bit objectionable, but today the owner is Indian, so it makes it an Indian company. And Designs is a renowned apparel brand started in the year 1995. Its evolving ideas meet the expectation with international styles and fashion. Flying Machine is India's first homegrown denim brand and is owned by Irwin Mills Garment Division. That was all about our today's discussion. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.